Oh, wait a minute, I have spent hours crafting this free tutorial just for you. Would you please give me 5 seconds of your precious time for a quick like and comment? Thank you so much, my dear friend.
Go to canva.com. Link is already there in the video description. Go to video section and then click on blank template. Here, go to element section and line and shape. Now we have to select the area of the scene. We are trying to create a beautiful scene of a park where peoples are walking, running, and exercising. So we have taken 2 rectangles here. In the top rectangle, we will fill light blue color so that it looks natural behind trees and grass. In the bottom rectangle, we will fill the light orange color so that it can look like a pathway. In the top area, we will make the background of the scene with trees, grass, and windmill. And in the bottom area, we will make road with grass. Now search for trees in element section and put them in the top scene. Duplicate the tree if you want and resize them. Also adding some cloud in the background so that it look more appealing. Now it's time to add some grass and treadmill to the scene. Search for treadmill in the element section, add it and resize to match the scene. Now search for grass and add some grass to the upper scene as well as in the lower scene, which is a pathway. We can select multiple kind of grass here. Make sure to resize them so that it look natural in the scene. Let me tell you something important here. There are plenty of free options over here, so you will not need to purchase anything to create the animation scene. We try to promote free things only. Now finally, it's time to add some moving characters in the scene. So we will add some walking character to the road. In the element section, search, walk. So you will get multiple walking character. For example, I'm taking the girl jogging in the park and also a boy walking in the park. I've also added a young boy who is reading his book and going to school for his exam today. Now finally, let's bring all of them to life. To animate the character, simply select the character and click on Animate button. After this, click on Create an Animation and drag your character by selecting it. So we have to select the character and move it into right direction so that its movement can be recorded. So we will do it for all the characters now. I have kept the movement of walking character as slow but fast for the running lady. Pretty much obvious, right? Once you are done with all the changes, click on Done, preview your video, and then click on Download button. In the free version, we can download up to 1080 pixel, which is more than sufficient, I believe. Canva is the only tool that allows us to create and download animation video in full high definition, 1080 pixel with its free version. We should really appreciate Canva for this initiative.
Thank you for watching this amazing AI animation tutorial. We hope you found it informative and exciting. Don't forget to show your love by liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel for more incredible videos like this one. Bye bye for now, and happy animating!